Let's all learn how to draw Totoro. It's quite simple. With ears like a rabbit, 2 pointed ears. Start with the 2 pointed ears on each side. Then on top, curved line forms this little round head. Add 2 small brackets on the side. Round eyes, 1 on each side. In the middle, draw the pupil, a tiny nose, and just a little mouth up above. Keep it small. Next, draw its body with 2 large brackets for arms and a curved line across for its big belly. Totoro has a very large stomach. Draw an arc and give it a big belly. At the bottom, angle it back toward the arms and then add a tail. On Totoro's belly, draw a semicircle with a pattern on top, like little crescents. Draw 4 small crescents. With the adorable Totoro we're done. Don't forget to add his little whiskers. Inside, draw a wavy line, then color the cute Totoro, but in gray.
Certainly, let's opt for a pale gray overall, barring the eyes which will emit, then apply a gray tone uniformly from top to base. Our world holds everything. Just be mindful to stay within the outlines. Following the order from top to bottom, left to right, things go smoothly. Ignite the spirit within this framework. My desire is to exclude optimism. The white highlight in the abdomen and the light gray tiny tail must be remembered. Love is the most exquisite treasure we can hold. Add some shadow. We might consider enhancing this area with a touch of shadow. Inside, on the belly, this little pattern, the crescent-shaped pattern, we'll paint it gray. And as for the cute Totoro, it is now complete. Give some shadow to the ground.
Without the red scarves on both sides, it looks very adorable. Add some tall grass. We can use these dots to